It's a hot day. It's been very hot. But we completed it. We have several tasks that we're trying to get done this summer season, which is why our deck is in such a mess. One of the things we needed to get done. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and in today's video, I am going to share with you guys how easy it is to put together your umbrella for your back porch, your deck, your poolside, your patio, however you choose to use it. We're going to show you how easy it is to put together. Now, my old umbrella, you will see it was a mess. We forgot to cover it on last year, and so it just, anyway, it was embarrassing to have here on the back porch with everything else we have going on here. Now, this is going to be the first part that I'm going to share with you guys, is because I've been waiting to get my umbrella and get it up, and then I can finish decorating my porch. So in today's video, this is what it's all about. Hope this will show you, or if you're in the market for buying an umbrella, they are very, very expensive. I promise you, unreasonably expensive. But we were able to find this one at Lowe's during the Memorial Day sale, and we got it. The price was okay. I mean, it wasn't the greatest price, but it's the best we had seen in looking. It has the solar lights. The base is extremely huge. So we're just going to show you how we put it together. So if you're new to my channel, I say welcome. I thank you for stopping by. If you would like to be a part of, it's easy. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. For those of you guys that continue to show me so much love and support, I do take this time to say thanks. Now, I'm going to stop talking. You guys will see how we put this together. So go ahead, grab your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax. This is not a sponsored video, but I want to show you guys how easy it is to put together your very own umbrella for your back porch or deck, or however you choose to use it. So here, this is the old umbrella. You can see it's all worn out. Yeah, it's time to go. But the sad part about it is the frame is in perfect condition. I just didn't know where to find the canvas part of it. I don't know if they actually sell those separately or not. But this is the new umbrella here. So we've got it all laid out. And so what we've got to do is take away all of the old stuff, including the base. This is the base to the old one. And with this base here, I don't like the way, well, in comparison to the new one. Now with this one, you can see the different compartments where you can place the sand and the water, but something can actually, or could have actually gotten inside of those trays. But with the new one, you will see that the way that you put the sand and the water in is completely different, and it is a way that you can secure it and nothing will get into it. So we're going to take our time and move this stuff away, and then we will start putting the new one together. So guys, if you haven't gotten your coffee or your tea or whatever it is that you're wanting to drink about, now is the perfect time to do so. Again, I welcome you all here as we put together our new umbrella for our porch here. We have to do a little bit of cleanup, cleaning it off. We've removed the old one, and so we're going to start with the new one. So guys, just sit back and I'm just going to let you enjoy the process. So in this little box here, this is the box that is holding the components to the base. We have our screws, we have our Allen wrenches that came with it. We have the handle. We have the plug for the that you can actually plug in. And so I'm just going to take the wrapping paper off of everything, all of the plastic. This is the diagram of all of the components that's needed. It looks very complicated, but I promise you it is not. So what I'm doing here, guys, is just taking all of the items from its packaging and removing the wrapping so that when we start to put all the pieces to where they're supposed to be placed, we don't have to stop to unbox or unwrap. So this is the initial process of getting everything ready to um, put it together. So guys, one of the unique features of this umbrella is that it also comes with an adapter. And I'm assuming that if it is a cloudy day and you don't have enough sun to charge your solar lighting, you can actually plug in and still have your ambiance from your umbrella. So I thought that was pretty neat. My last umbrella did not have the adapter, so um, interesting to see. So here we are, more parts, more moving pieces. So we're going to basically, this part here is part of the base. These are all of the screws. So we're going to get busy putting the base together, and then you guys just keep watching. Hopefully you will enjoy us putting this together. So what I'm doing here is just actually screwing the screws to the part of the base in which the actual pole of the umbrella will sit into, and that pedal part is the part that you can use to, it does a 360-degree swivel. So this is by pressing the pedal you can actually swivel the umbrella around. So this is the part that we're putting together now. I wish I would have angled my camera a little bit better. I didn't realize that I didn't have my stand for my camera, so I just basically had it propped on something on the porch. So this is the best we can do, but you guys will see the outlook. I'm just pulling out all of the screws and the washers, and we got to get those screwed in first so that everything can be tight and right. Guys, look at this teamwork. I so love working with my husband. We get so much accomplished when we work together as a team. It's so amazing. Should be 40s, but it's okay. So it's 40s, but So now that we have tightened it as much as we can with our fingers, we are now using this alley wrench that comes in the packaging to tighten it um, even more. Hopefully to get it as tight as we possibly can so that we don't have to worry about it rocking or tumbling over or anything like that. So that's what I'm doing, giving it my fullest twist, and then I'm sure hubby will come back behind me and finish it off with the strength of the man. So what we've done here is created us a little funnel so that we could pour the sand into the base here, and this prevents it from turning over, missed a storm. So as you fill it with sand, you adjust the base to make sure you distribute the sand evenly, or as much as you can evenly, over the sides. So these grooves that you see on this part of the base, those metal pieces that you see on the porch, you just lay it right on top of those, and that creates the base once you put all the parts together. So here we are adding water to the sand, and this is what gives the weight to the base so that the umbrella will not turn over. So these are the 4 parts that we have added, which makes up the base, and then we're going to go in and add all of the other parts that you see here. Guys, when I say this is easy to put together, you initially saw us putting the pole with those screws that you see there. That is the base and the pole that you will add the umbrella to. We're going to go in with all the other parts, and then you will see us attach it. So it's just easy. Follow the instructions, and it's easy. It's just easy to put together. So here we are, adding on all the pieces. And like I said, that little pedal part that you see there, you press it down with your foot and it gives you the swivel for your umbrella. So we had the pole on turned the wrong way, so we had to turn it around. So now everything is all good. This part here, we're adding on the handle. There you go, it works, it turns. He's bringing it up. And be ready for the reveal. So I present to you my Allen and Roth 11 feet aluminum blue crank patio umbrella with base. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new, want to be a part of the family, hit the subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you'll always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. This porch is a mess, but a makeover will be coming soon.